Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachna. So this is like starting of our series on Azure, Microsoft Azure Architect, and then we are starting with the resource and research groups. So we were starting that, like, let's see like what all products that Microsoft Azure has to offer in order to Azure cloud services. So if you go to the my Azure that official side of Microsoft, the Azure documents, so here you will find these are the products offered by the Microsoft. And let's go to compute. Then you can see these are the, in the compute section we have app services, virtual machines, all those projects are there. And if you go to the virtual machine, then you will see the pricing details and the services that comes with the virtual machines. So you can look into the pricing over here. These are the pricing for the Microsoft, like if you use the virtual machine to your Azure. Okay, so let's go to the Azure portal. If I go to the portal, then I have these resource groups. And so like resource is like if I have created any of the resource, like it is demo keyboard that I have created, so it is also a kind of resource. Okay, and if you want to go to the resource, and each resource like is under the resource group. So what is resource basically? So resource is any of the services which is offered by the Microsoft on the cloud, like virtual machine storage, like web storage, or keyboard is functions, app services, all the services which is offered by the Microsoft we create in the portal is called the resource. And then resource group is like the logical collections of the resources. So like if you can see, my this demo keyboard is also under the resource group. And what resource group I have created is, if you go resource groups, so I have this resource group into my portal. And if I want to create the resource group, I can create a new resource group. So basically resource is like each services offered by the Microsoft, like virtual machines, all those things. And resource group is the logical collection of the resources. So suppose if you want to manage your resources, then instead, and you want to give permission to some resources, so instead of giving permission to each individual resource, you can manage your permissions access level by resource group. So like suppose if you want to give some access, so instead of giving to one by one, you can give that permission to that resource group. So whatever resources will be there under that resource group will get the same permission. Similarly, if you want to delete like like few resources, so instead of deleting the each resource, you can delete the resource group. It will delete all the resources under that resource group. Okay, so this is like managing the resources. We create the resource groups. And then we, so to create a resource group or any of the resource, the two required parameter is the subscriptions and the resource group. So subscription and resource group is required by all the services that you will create and work for the Azure. Okay, so I'll talk about now the subscription. So what is subscription? Subscription is like, we have free trial, that is I am using currently is free trial. And then we have pay as you go subscription, which is very basic, or the like very used for learning purpose. We have pay as you go subscription. It means whatever services you will use, and what for what time you are using. Only for those period of time you will be charged, okay, for that subscription. So subscription is like your billing will come under that subscription basically. So the subscription is used for billing purpose. So whatever resource you will create, you will be creating under that subscription and particular that resource group. So like I am selecting this free trial subscription and I am creating the demo resource resource group, and the reason I have created and the review and create, validate and then create. So this is like resource group, and under that resource group I can create my virtual machine. Okay, so if I create a virtual machine, it will ask me the subscription first, the resource group, then other details related to the virtual machine. So apart from the pay as you go free trial subscription, we have other types of subscription that industries use, and along with that subscription Microsoft offer like different kinds of plans. So like that, if you can free trial subscription there, if you want to add the subscription, like you can search from here this subscription, then you can go it here, and if you want to add, okay, I have already opened here, like select your offer your subscription Azure Pass sponsor Visual Studio Enterprise subscription. So this subscription if you will purchase, then it offers a Visual Studio licensing as well, some free per month dollar credits for your Azure, so that you can use it. So for and some subscription offer the kind of support that will be provided to you when you purchase their subscriptions, and like different subscriptions have different criterias that industries use according to their purpose. So if you can see pay as you go dev and test subscriptions is there, like which is used for dev and test, and for the production we get the different kind of subscription. So subscription is basically used for the billing purpose. So like whatever resource is create or resource group you create, it will created against that subscription, and your bill will be generated against that subscriptions. So this is the subscription, and here you can see your subscriptions, your profile, and then your credit see if you can see the detail. So my subscription is showing is free trial subscriptions, and this is the remaining credit that I have available into my Azure platform, and I can move into the upgrade to pay as you go subscriptions. Okay, so that ends this session for resource and resource groups. So if you have any questions, doubts, suggestions, please leave into the comments box below. I will try to reply your questions. So thank you so much for watching my videos till here. If you like this video, please like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video with the Azure Active Directory chapter. So thank you so much. Bye.